Hey guys, Tank here. Today I'm going to show you how to bind a receiver onto the T8S RadioLink. This method of binding the receiver can be done on all RadioLink receiver transmitter. So today we're going to bind the T8S to a receiver, the R8EF. First thing you got to do is turn on the transmitter, and then you need to power this up. I like using a battery pack like that. I don't have to bring out the ESC and so on. So I just apply power to it. Now it's flashing low. You hit the button here. Every receiver has a button, a binding button on it. You don't use binding plugs with these. So you just have to hit this button. It's going to flash real quick. And then it just finished binding onto here. It found it and it's done. That's how quick it is. Now let's give it a quick test. I just connected the servo onto channel 1. Now I can go to the radio. There we go. Done. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell to get more notification of some of the stuff I do. Talk to you guys later.